Today we're going to learn how to do an oil change on a Porsche 996 2004. Okay, you always want to use a good oil filter, Moly, OEM, or equivalent, or something really good. This is a Moly. I got it from Worldpack. Okay, you will need an 8mm Allen wrench and an oil filter tool. You can probably pick this up on Amazon. I think you can get it from O'Reilly's and AutoZone. You always use a torque wrench and a new drain plug gasket. This application calls for 50 Newton meters or 37 foot-pounds of torque. Remember, always use a new drain plug gasket. Now, always use a new oil filter O-ring. Very important. It will leak if you don't. And what I use to lube it up, a little bit of transmission gel. Works really good. Can use oil too. Okay, make sure it's on all the way. It's in the right spot. Take the new filter. Put it on the car first. Once you tighten it, just tighten it a little bit, get your torque wrench, and it calls for 25 Newton meters. Now if you over tighten these filters, they will leak. Clean it up with some parts wash. And then now let's put some oil in it. Porsche recommends Mobil 1 0W40. The application calls for 9 liters. So we'll start with about 7 or 8, and then we'll run it, get it warm, check it, and then top it up. Okay, so now that we put the oil in, we're going to let it warm up and check the oil. Now there's 2 different ways to check the oil on a Porsche 996. I'm going to show you both of them. Okay, first way to check the oil on a 996. What I do is I always use the cluster to check it first. Key on. Let it run. It'll do it automatically. And it's reading 1 bar under, which is great. If it doesn't show up, you just cycle through. You push the lever that's under the turn signal stalk, which is this guy right here. Push it in, and then the display will come up. You highlight oil, select that, start measurement. It'll start counting down. Now, if the engine's not completely warm, it will start counting down from 5 minutes, and it won't be that accurate. So best way to do it is to get it to normal operating temperature and then check it. Okay, second way to check the oil is the dipstick. And it's good. That's how you change your oil on a Porsche 996.